Before AI can recommend your brand, it has to know who your brand is. That is entity SEO, and it is one of the most overlooked parts of getting cited. Here is what it means and how to fix it. An entity is just a thing the AI recognizes as real and distinct. A brand, a person, a product line. When AI is confident about who you are, it can connect everything it reads about you into one clear picture. When it is not, your mentions get scattered or ignored. So how do you become a clear entity? First, be consistent everywhere. Same brand name, same description, same details across your site, LinkedIn, directories, and review platforms. Mixed or conflicting information confuses the AI. This was a real issue we found in one audit, where a brand's name showed up 3 different ways across the web. Second, get on the sources AI trusts for identity. A complete LinkedIn company page, a Crunchbase profile, consistent listings. These help AI verify you are a real organization. Third, use organization schema. Tell the AI directly, in structured data. This is our brand. This is what we do. These are our profiles. Fourth, build associations. The more your brand is mentioned alongside your category and your key topics, the more strongly AI links you to them. Get this right, and you stop being an unknown. You become a brand the AI recognizes and trusts enough to name. Want to check your entity signals? Free audit at CiteVantage.com.